So the last example is find the measure of the unknown angles. Okay, so we really have to pay attention to the letters that we're dealing with. So we have a U, a W, an X, an X, an X, an X, a Y, and a Z. Okay, so for me, common sense tells me that the first thing I have to solve for is probably going to be the X. This question gives us many X's, so we probably have the most information about the X's. So interior angles of a quadrilateral add up to 360 degrees. The problem is we have X, 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 and W. So we can't solve the interior. However, this connection right here has two angles with the variable x. So we know that x plus 3x minus 22 is going to equal 180 degrees. Okay, so let's add x plus 3x. I get 4x. Let's bring the negative 22 over. I get positive 22. Okay, so I get 202, and we'll divide out. I get x equals 50.5. Okay, so this angle is going to be 50.5. For this one, let's actually just sub in 50.5 minus 22. So 3 times 50.5 minus 22, I get 129.5. For 2x minus 10, 2 times 50.5 minus 10. And when I plug it in, I get 91 degrees. And x plus 15. So 50.5 plus 15, I get 65.5. Okay. From here, everything else should be quite easy. Okay. So for angle W, I'll change to purple. Angle W, we know it's going to be 360 degrees, which is the sum of the interior angles of the quadrilateral. And we're going to just subtract all of the angles within this quadrilateral. So we're going to subtract 129.5. We're going to subtract 91 and 65.5. I get 74. And if you want to check, you can go ahead and add all of the interior angles. So 74, 65.5, 91, and 129.5. They do indeed add up to 360 degrees. So that's a good check. Okay, and now all we have is the exterior angles. So U, let's do 180 minus 74 is going to equal U. So 180 minus 74, 106 equals U. This is our W. Okay, we have Z here. Okay, so 180 minus 65.5 is going to equal our Z. So 180 minus 65.5, I get 114.5. Oh, let's label U, 106. 106 degrees. Should put degrees on all of these. And our last one, our Y, so 180 minus 91 degrees, and we should get 89. 89 degrees. Beautiful. So start with what you know. Start with what you're given.